In this video, we will be covering how to properly replace and tension the center Draper drive belt. Some model years may have a spring tensioning system, while others will be checked by the frequency of the belt. Start out by loosening the single lock nut and backing it away from the adjustment arm. Turn the adjustment bolt clockwise by using the two nuts that are locked together. Once the tension is relieved, disconnect the adjustment arm from the subframe by removing the indicated nut. Slide the belt off the pulleys and around the adjustment arm to remove it. Install the new belt in the same fashion. Re-secure the tension adjustment arm by installing the nut. In this case, turn the adjustment bolt counterclockwise until the spring indicator is aligned with the washer. Once the tension is set, tighten the lock nut against the adjustment arm. On models without an indicator, adjust the bolt until the correct Hertz reading is achieved. There is a quick overview on how to change and adjust the center Draper drive belt. If you have any further questions, please refer to your operator's manual or contact your local Honeybee dealer.